Well, we have more information on the 2 positive coronavirus cases in the Flathead Valley. Flathead County health officials say 2 males were tested positive for coronavirus in the county, 1 man in his 50s and 1 in his 30s. The man in his 50s is originally from Illinois and will not be counted towards the total number of Montana cases. The man in his 30s is a healthcare provider at Kalispell Regional Medical Center and had traveled out of state, but not to a high-risk area. He traveled in a vehicle all by himself. He did not present symptoms right away, but once he did, immediately took the appropriate precautions. The hospital identified 14 patients and 9 healthcare employees that had potential exposure, and all are in self-isolation at home. Flathead health officials want to emphasize that if you have not been contacted by a health official, you should not be concerned that you came in contact with either male. Infectious disease doctors at Kalispell Regional Hospital, Jeffrey Jaden, reminds people how important it is to follow social distancing, even if you don't feel like you have symptoms.
While most cases of this is symptomatic, it can be spread by asymptomatic people. So even if you're doing all the right things, if you're in close contact with individuals, you potentially could be exposing them or them exposing you. And I think we've known that it's been in Montana, and now we do.
Dr. Doug Nelson with Kalispell Regional Hospital says earlier this week they suspended all elective surgery while clinics in the area are not closed. Dr. Nelson says they've limited non-essential appointments. He says as of right now, there's no evidence of person-to-person community transmission in Flathead Valley. There are various screening sites around the valley, and you can visit our website for additional information.